The Story of Trains, a series about people and trains.
Oh, hi guys. I'm Review Thomas. Today, this guy being followed by
Sam I am.
He wants him to try.
Green eggs and ham?
Let's just come see what happens in the Story of Trains episode.
I am Train the Melon, and I present to all of you The Story of Trains. Get there. Pray by noon at the end, along with the song and the roll come let go. Green eggs and ham. While the engine's feelings are also important, it's also important to understand how human feelings feel. They all have different opinions on certain things. Some of them would say,
Yes, I like it.
while others would say,
I'm sorry, I don't like it.
sometimes they would accept their no's, while others would just follow them around until they accept it, which gets on their nerves. Which is what this episode is about. It all started one day when the guy was just relaxing. When I am Sam. Sam I am. Oh, what Sam I am. What Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. That's a good way to do someone. Oh, it's weird. I do not like that Sam I am. Ah. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I would not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. I'll let the farmer get to make sure green. Guy heads towards his house to rest. I'll just relax in my house. But just before he can go inside his house, Sam I am appeared in front of him. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? Oh, I would not like them in a house. I would not like them with a mouse. I wouldn't like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. Are you sure not in the house? That's where you mostly eat. Yes, I am sure. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Later, a guy was running out of railroad cars and Reboot Emily passed by him. Then he crossed over his tracks. He was heading towards his box. Oh, yeah, my box. Don't not people find it here. Why'd you realize someone inside? Oh. Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox? Oh. Not in a box. Not with a fox. Not in a house. Not with a mouse. I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Okay. Next plan. do not
What the?
like green eggs and ham.
What the?
I do not like them. Sam, what the? Ah, car! Whoa! Would you? Could you? In a car? Whoa! Whoa! Speedy! Eat them, here they are. I would not, could not in a car.
Ace and Sam took them on a ride while Happy was recording.
Watch it.
Ace drove on the rail tracks, which was illegal, passing Septa Carly and onto a shelf. He was driving towards a tree.
You may like them. You'll see. I like them in a tree. Whoa! I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am. Are you sure being in a tree? Are you sure you can't do it in a tree? No way, Sam.
Suddenly the tree wobbles and they fell off. They fall towards Thomas's train.
A train. A train. A train, a train. Well, not that our passengers. All aboard! Would you? On a train? Not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Sam, let me be. I would not, could not in a box. I could not, would not with a fox. I would not eat them with a mouse. I would not eat them in a house. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am. Eh, the people you meet when you're riding Amtrak trains. If I sing a song, not if you sing it all day long. I don't know where I was gonna eat besides a train.
Then Thomas spotted a tunnel up ahead.
Train tunnel approaching.
Thomas speeds into the tunnel. Inside,
Say, in the dark, would you, could you, in the dark? I would not, could not, in the dark. And why would you, especially when the tunnel is dark and scary, you can see in the tunnel.
yeah, the guy refused. Later, Thomas exits the tunnel. He traveled half a mile down the track and stopped at Baldwin Penn Station. Connor was there too.
Hi, Connor. Hello, Connor. Next stop, Speedway Airport Station. Okay, in the rain? I would not, could not in the rain. Not in the dark, not on a train. Hey! Not in a car, not in a tree. I do not like them, Sam. Sam, you see. Not in a house, not in a box, not with a mouse, not with a fox. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You do not like green egg and ham? I do not like them, Sam, I am. Good, doesn't work in matter, Sam.
Indeed, Sam is getting the guy mad. Meanwhile, Thomas travels on. He finally moves into Union Station.
Union Station in D.C. You can try green eggs and ham. I will not try them, Sam, I am. Oh, come on. He's been doing that all journey long.
I hear. Thomas, I hear lost his train. What's going on in your train?
This guy is being followed by Sam I am. He wants him to try green eggs and ham. Green eggs and ham? I don't know what to say. Is it ham? Well, I'm done. You take the train on? That's right. Well, good luck with him.
Later, we with Thomas coupled up to the train.
I guess I'm off.
He starts pulling out, but quickly stops. There's a goat on the track.
What? A goat? Would could you with a goat? I could not with a goat. Now how on earth did that get on the track? That goat shouldn't be there. Oh, I need my dinosaur train whistle for this. Get out of the way,
Reboot Thomas blew his dinosaur train whistle multiple times. Finally, the goat moved off the tracks.
You that bird. Great job you hear dinosaur train whistle.
Smart.
It's too awesome. Now you may nose and skedaddle. See you later. Yeah.
Reboot Thomas steams hopping down the line with his Amtrak train in tow. He arrives at Alexandria Bay Station and stops. After standing at the station for a few more seconds, he's on his way again.
I don't see Sam I am anywhere. I think he's finally done what?
Sure enough, there was Sam I am on a boat.
Could you on a boat?
Guy was very angry at this point.
I would not on a boat. I will not with a go. I will not eat them in the rain. I will not eat them on a train. Not in the dark, not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them in a box. I don't like them in a house. And I do not like them with a mouth. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. Understand? You do not like them, so you say, try them, and you may. Try them, and you may, I say.
Guy was hesitant. He knew he did not want to try green eggs and ham, but if he does not try it, Sam I am will not leave him alone. After pondering, he said this.
Sam, if you will let me be, I will try them and you will see.
Sam put the green eggs and ham close to Guy. Guy groaned.
Oh, boy.
He was anxious.
Do you think he'll take a bite? Will we have to wait all night? Right. Here we go.
And Guy takes a bite. He chewed it and swallowed it. And then he said,
Oh,
I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam, I am.
Yay!
and I will eat them on a boat. And I will eat them with a goat. And I will eat them in the rain. And in the dark. And on a train. And in a car. And in a tree. They're so good. So good, you see.
So I have to catch my train to New York. I'll walk you to the station.
At the station, Sam says goodbye to Guy.
Bye, guys.
Goodbye, Sam. Thanks for helping me try something new. And thanks for the extra green egg and ham from the trip from you.
You're welcome. Look, he finally tried the green egg and ham.
The bread tastes good.
I bet so too. All aboard!
Welcome.
You too. Bye now.
Now, as they're talking, Hero keeps saying like, oh, so I'll eat them in the box.
And I'll eat them in a box. And I'll eat them in a house. And I'll eat them with a mouse.
And I'll eat them here and there. Say, I'll eat them anywhere.
I'm glad you did like the green egg and ham.
All thanks to Sam I am. Thank you. And in the end, the guy learned that it's okay to try new things.
They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight. And green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play around timber sheds so far away. Down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends. Thomas,
He's the cheeky one.
James,
His fame but lots of fun.
Percy,
Pulls a man on time.
Gordon,
Thunders down the line.
Emily,
Really knows her stuff.
Henry,
Toots and huffs and puffs.
Edward,
Wants to help and share.